If you need a client in the next 24 hours, copy this. I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I need to get a client and how most people are overcomplicating client acquisition. We're going to do it on my phone right now. I'm going to teach you something called the wanted post. It's really, really straightforward. A couple steps here, and we're going to do it right here, right now. I'm going to type it all up for you, and you can copy this and you can do it right away. In fact, this is something you could do, I would say every Monday, at least once per week. And you can even run ads to this, but it is so freaking simple. This is how we are going to do. I recommend that you do this at least once per week. So first things first, you're going to get your Instagram app open and you're going to just go to the place where you can take a photo of yourself. Now I'm going to pretend that I am a hockey coach. I'm actually going to share an ad from one of my students, Andrew Martin, who does 30 to 40K per month, and he markets to beer league dudes who want to get better at hockey. And I am going to take a photo as if I'm him, but if I was him, I would take a photo of me at the ice rink instead, but this purpose will still serve. Okay, step number one is we're going to take a photo. All right, so we got a vertical photo. Perfect, nice and easy. And now what we're going to do is we're going to write some text. Now I want you to think about this as a job posting. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to do wanted. All right, and don't get caught up in the font. I'm going to show you how to clean this up. It's going to look something like this. I'm just going to show you how easy this is. 5 beer league players aged 35 to 55 who want to drop the weight. And we're using language that they use. That's, from what I understand, these guys say build muscle. Okay, so you just clean that up a bit. All right, so that's the first part. Okay. Actually looks better. Okay. Now we're going to write the next part, which is okay. Let's tighten that up. Perfect. And then you're going to give them a call to action. You could even spruce it up a bit with an X. No guesswork. I like this one. Guarantee results. If you guarantee results, if not, you don't have to put that in there. So you got the G's going. And then what we do is we do a poll. All right, so this is just going to be one. Now, as you can see, I didn't format it the best, so we can just go like that. I can pull my photo down here. Okay, and I'm going to now add in a poll. We're going to do, kind of like to do commands, talk to me, you know, make it fun as well. And notice how I really want it specific. So I use 3 options. So I use 2 yeses and 1 no. So the yes though is like a heck yeah, heck yeah. With a little, you know, fire emoji maybe. Again, it's hockey, so we could do, we could even do boom, heck yeah. And then this is going to be a softer yes. So it could be send me details. Okay. You can do a little, make it fun there. Send me deets. And then the last one is like, I'd rather suck wind. And again, this is kind of a polarizing no, which makes people, didn't get it perfect, but you guys get the idea. I can pull, there you go. Okay, cool, I can make that a little bit bigger. So what we do is that we pick up the conversation with everybody that starts to click one of those first 2 polls. So very first thing I would do is, you know, hey name, I saw that you engaged with the poll. Cool if I ask you some questions, question mark. I always like to get permission. You don't have to, but you know, because they did engage in the poll, but I always just like to make sure like, hey, I'm talking to somebody that didn't accidentally hit it. So once I've done that, then they come back and say, sure, fire away, what's up? I'll say, you know, what's been your biggest struggle right now? And then I ask them those three things, stamina, dropping weight, gaining muscle, question mark, because that's what they just connected on. So I want to find out what's their biggest struggle. Okay. And then when they come back and tell me, I'm going to say, okay, cool. How long has this been going on for? Right. I want to figure out the duration. And then I also want to find out the impact. How's this been affecting you, in other areas of your life, right? I might prompt them with a couple questions, work life, relationships, energy, sex life, etc. Right? I want them to tell me a little bit more, right? And then they're going to come back and tell me a bit more. And then all I'm going to do is be just very transparent, say, hey, you're the exact kind of guy that I work with. I got this killer program for guys who play ice hockey in the beer league and looking to do these 3 things in 90 days. I tell you exactly what to eat, how to train. I'll hold you accountable every step of the way. No more sucking for air. Would it be helpful if I sent you some details for you to learn more about it? This is if I sold my program through chat with a document, a Google document, or a landing page with information on it. Otherwise, I would just ask them, would it be helpful if we could set up a call so I could tell you more? And most people say for sure, give them my calendar link, book them in, and then we schedule a call and we go from there. I'm not going to dive into that process on this video. I just wanted to show you a really, really simple process for how you could get yourself your next client. So I do have a couple other examples for you here. I put down in my notes here and what these would sound like for a fat loss person, a muscle building person, even a general fitness coaching coach. So before we wrap up, how would you like some other examples? So I got one for a fat loss coach and a muscle building coach. So I'll keep them really simple for you. So fat loss coach, it could be wanted, 5 busy dads who want to drop 20 pounds in the next 90 days without spending hours in the gym or starving themselves and want to take their physique to the next level, right? Something like that. And then your poll could be, heck yeah, send me the details. The other option could be, absolutely, I'm in, where do I sign up? And the last option could be, nah, I like my dad bod. All right, so you can have some fun with that. If you're a fat loss coach, it could be as simple as wanted, 5 guys who want to pack on 10 to 15 pounds of lean muscle mass without wasting time on useless workouts or bad meal plans, right? Could be something like that. And then you got your 2 polls, heck yeah, send me the details. Or nah, I'd rather stay skinny. All right. So very straightforward. You can take this, you can run with it. I even have coaching clients that boost these posts on ads, and these get retargeted to their following, and it just brings in a steady stream of clients. Now you can't do the poll feature with ads, but you can have them click here to send a message, and you can start to get people to inbound message you. So when you do these weekly and you find a winner, we can put some money behind it to keep that inbound lead inquiry coming in. And really, it's as simple as that. So I just had this idea. I was wondering, would it be helpful if I put together 7 days of stories for you in a YouTube video? Let me know below in the comments. Drop a heck yeah, that'd be awesome. And what I could do is show you what to post every single day of the week, just as simple as I just showed you what to do once per week. I'd recommend you do this on a Monday. So this is a direct CTA. So you do a direct CTA calling out clients on Mondays. And I would use something very similar to the structure. You can always play with it. And this will definitely get you at least, depending on how responsive your audience is, but this is what I would do to get at least 1 client, and it should work for you as well. All right, talk to you soon. If you want more help growing your online coaching business to 10 to 30K per month without nonstop content, without spamming strangers with cold DMs, and while building a profit-rich business rooted in your passion and your purpose with systems that produce predictability, and while having a model that gives you peace in the process so that you're not constantly going and burning yourself out. I put together a little video below. Check it out. It might be helpful for you if what I just shared with you resonated and you're looking for a different approach to building your business without all the hustle and grind that really robs people of why they got into this business in the first place, which is freedom. If you just want money, this is not for you. But if you want money and freedom, this is for you. Check it out. See you in the next video. Level up or level off. Ciao, ciao.